Hi, gang. This is Poppy's workshop. Poppy unboxes a new tool. One. Here it is. It just arrived about 10 minutes ago. Directly from Shaw's Tool in St. Charles, Illinois. Things sealed like Fort Knox. Let's wait till we get in here. Ta-da! Outer perimeter breached. 2018 catalog. Got one. Here we are. As they say in England, hello, beautiful. Give us a kiss and show us your knickers. All the paperwork. Batteries. A wrench. And a standard. I forgot to bring my... Where did I put the... I'll use this. I forgot to bring my standard in from the shop. I got a 2/10 standard. I got with my inside micrometer. I got 96 from... Oh God, I'm ashamed to admit it. I bought tooling from Enco once. And after the way they mangled my bar stock, I never ordered from... You don't want to come out. Let's try something here. Nope. Have to put battery in. Okay. It's plain and simple. You just came out. I don't try and pop these out. I go straight to surgery. Okay, now, maybe, just maybe, that's nice. Show me a picture of putting the battery in. Which side is up? Ah! If I can see the polarity, that's right. Okay. Now. We have power. Okay. That should be... Okay, why do you not want to? Really? Remove this protective plastic here. Come on, you. There we go. I have to put a drop of WD on my finger later. Get the rest of this stick off. Yeah. Why are you not changing? Set. Okay. Now it wants to display a change of size. Nice. Let's see here. Let's get it down to 0.200000000000000. Monotonous, isn't it? Okay. Okay, do you want to turn off? Ah! Hold it! Like I used to do with my computer when I was Napstering and someone tried to hack in. I'd hold the power button. Called it choking it to death. Extra button there. Silica gel here. We herewith guarantee and certify that this product has been checked and found to be in accordance with applicable national standards. The equipment used with this check is traceable accuracy according to national and international standards. I can't read the name. Anyway, there she are. Electronic micrometer operation manual. It only took a couple of minutes to figure out the two things that were wanting to give me trouble. See. Don't throw it on the floor. Don't drop it in your coffee cup. Oh, no. Don't throw it on the floor. Don't use it as a C-clamp in the welding booth. Don't take it apart. No, don't do not. Unless you have a degree in metrology and computer science and got a really big set, don't take it apart. Do not press the key with a point. Oh, no. No. None of that. Do not suggest it to strong magnetic fields of high voltage environment. Of course not. Use a soft cloth or a cotton cleansing. Gee, I should have read that. Hold. And 7. Spanner. Why is it the picture doesn't look like my machine? See that? I love it. $112. Free shipping. Well, this part right there, that can go. Bye-bye. This is superfluous. You hear Poncho out there meowing at someone next door. I don't need these either. Come on, you. There. Roughing pass done. This baby's going to stay in that box for a while. Maybe one day I'll get rich and can have a nice rollaway with a 2-drawer intermediate and then a topper. Fitted foam for all my metrology goodies, but for right now, it stays in that box unless I'm using it. Poppy's gonna go now. Happy machining.